Hi, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you, sir?
I'm doing good too. Thanks for asking.
That's great. That's great. So, how was Sunday?
It's really fantastic. I went to my friend's house. We had some food, we watched TV, we spoke a lot, and we really spent a really good day. Thanks for asking.
That's great. That's great. So, first of all, thank you so much for
Mm-hmm.
accepting my proposal. And this is first time I am talking to any foreign guy,
Mm-hmm.
and I am looking forward to having a great conversation with you. Thank you so much for your time. First time.
Definitely. I'm glad for that you know, chance. I mean opportunity too. Thank you.
So, um, as I know some a little
Mm-hmm.
bit about you.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you tell me more about you?
Yeah, sure, definitely. First of all, thank you very much for joining this session and making it happen. Uh, when you said that you are from Pakistan, I was really happy. I just wanted to talk a lot about your place, your community, like your, I mean, place where you live and how it's happening and all. So that's where I was really excited, and yeah, that's why I wanted to connect with you and make this happen. As you know about myself, you must have watched a few videos. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. It's India. I work as a communication trainer in
Yeah.
customer service, where I train agents whoever interacts with the customers via email, chat, and sometimes voice. So that's how I help them. I hold a few diplomas and yeah, other stuff. That's a brief about me, and I have close close to 5 years of experience in training and teaching fields. Yeah.
Wow, that's great. That's great. So, if I talk about myself, although you are the host, so
So
why
definitely,
I'm
please.
asking questions, I don't know.
No, no worries. We'll go basis of our discussion. We'll pick up a few things and we'll try to talk on those stuff. Let's have your introduction. Then we'll talk more.
Okay, thank you so much for this opportunity. And this is Muhammad Haji. I'm from Pakistan. Currently, I'm living in Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. And if I talk about my profession, I'm teacher. Currently, I'm teaching in any private school.
Mm-hmm.
So, talking about my hobby is I'm fond of cricket, playing cricket, and
Hmm.
in my leisure time, I'm always trying to learn something new, and I'm vivid of books, especially non-fictional books I am reading
Mm-hmm.
nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
And talking to my English journey, I'm trying to speak nowadays. I am much into this language, so
Mm-hmm.
that's all about me. Yeah.
That's great. So, which language do you prefer speaking there in Islamabad? As you said, you stay in capital city of Pakistan. So, which language do
Yeah.
you prefer speaking, whether English or Urdu? Which language do you prefer?
Basically, Urdu language is our national language. So
Hmm.
most of the people across the country, Urdu language can speak and understood. So mostly people prefer to speak Urdu language. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. So in schools, I mean, you said you are a
Yeah.
teacher, right? You teach what subject basically? Uh,
Basically, I have graduated in zoology.
hmm.
So I'm teaching biology. Yeah. Yeah.
Great. So how do you teach? Do you teach in Urdu or English, or do you prefer any other languages in your school?
Yeah, in school, especially, if I want to make understand some topic, some conceptual topic, then I need to communicate in Urdu language. So
Hmm.
we use mostly Urdu language in our community, in our vicinity as well. So we
Mm-hmm.
use Urdu language mostly. Yeah.
Uh, Great. I mean, I don't know, like why you are passionate about English. Do you have any reason behind it? Is there any incident that actually happened to you? So can you share that?
Uh,
incubate thing.
yeah, definitely. So basically, yeah, we cannot deny the fact that English become an international language. Beside
Absolutely.
that, it become a channel and a medium
Hmm.
if you want to share your thoughts across the globe. So you
Hmm.
need to having a better understanding of English.
Yes,
If you have command over this language, then there are so many doors to open, right?
absolutely.
And beside it, if I talk about my syllabus content, most of the syllabus content is in English.
Hmm.
So having better understanding of the course content is also important if
Hmm.
you know if you are the student of science, then therefore it's very important to have a command over this language. So yeah, for
Yes.
that reason, I am trying to learn this language.
Great, great. So, have you thought of, I mean, learning English, and then, as you said, like it opens doors, right, for opportunities. So, have you got any plan, like going abroad or working as a biology teacher, as you mentioned? So, do you have any such thoughts, or you just want to settle over there in Islamabad and teach in Urdu and English? So, what's the future plan?
Yeah, I have planned to go abroad. For that, the basic or fundamental thing is we have to pass IELTS test as well. So there are so
Yes,
many universities, their primary
IELTS.
requirement is to have a good band in IELTS. So
Hmm, hmm,
that is one of the reason I am much into this language right now.
hmm.
So in future, I will definitely try to go abroad if I get a good scholarship. Yeah.
Great. So, you want to go, I mean, abroad, like you want to pursue something studies, or you want to work, I mean, as a professional, that you want to settle over there?
Yeah, I never thought to settle there. However, yeah, for study purpose, I just want to go there.
Nice. So as you mentioned that we need to have a
Yeah.
proper band, right? Maybe 6.5 or 7 band. If you have that out of 9, that could be, I mean, good
Mm.
score. I mean, a lot of universities, they prefer, that certificate. Even you can go with PTE or Lingua. uh, you know we have Duolingo test. I mean, some
Mm.
universities, they accept it. You can also try such certifications, I mean, if you want to. Like you have to be good at all four areas, right? LSR and W: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Like it's not just speaking. I think you must
Right,
be focusing on the
right.
other areas. I think if you can work on those areas and have good
Areas,
band,
yeah,
obviously
exactly.
you will get, I mean, seat in good university. That's
Yeah.
what,
Thank you
yeah.
so much. If you talk about it's if we talk about any language, so there are four aspects, that is reading, writing, speaking, and
Hmm.
uh, listening. So we have to command all the four aspects. Then we can combinely get some number.
Obviously, obviously.
Otherwise, if I'm trying to giving more time only in speaking, then if
Hmm.
I'm lacking in other aspect, then it will uh, not work, to get
Yeah,
what bands I want to get. So it's
yeah,
not working basically. So we
true,
have to uh, go through with all these four aspects so that we can get what we want.
true. And some universities have certain band, right? Like for example, in speaking, maybe 7 plus band, reading 6.5 or something, and then listening 7 plus something, and then writing. So if you get average 7 plus band, being a student, and that's the best band, I mean, score that I could believe. I mean, most of the people, prefer that. That's a good, I mean, if you get 8 plus out of 9, that's a fantastic score. I think you're working on it, and you have already
Right,
started
right.
speaking. Slowly, you go with reading, writing, all these. I'm sure you will definitely get it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying my best, bro. And thank you so much for your compliment. And
Mhm.
I'm trying my best. Yeah, let's see what
Even
happen in the
even
future.
I saw your email when you wrote the email, right? I haven't found many errors in that. I don't know whether you filtered, or you wrote by yourself or something. You took other suggestions. I don't know, but it was really fantastic email. The email etiquette, you really have that. So that's a proper writing skill that I can assess. It's really good. I mean, you have good speaking and then writing skills. I don't know, while listening, how well you are good at comprehension. I mean, comprehension part. When somebody speaks, right? We have Australian English, British English, American English. When you take the IELTS, right? So they go
Yeah.
with all these accents. So if you can understand the different accents, you can definitely understand the question and they can answer it.
Mhm.
So yeah, listening, I'm sure you must be working on
Yeah.
it. Yeah. So that's two things that I noticed you.
Yeah. 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 Thank you so much for noticing all those things. But yeah, I'm trying to listening more and more content in especially American or
Mm-hmm.
British accent. What
Mm-hmm.
happened is, I am right now, I am using some apps for speaking, like Open Talk is one of
Mm-hmm.
the best platforms so far I have
Mm-hmm.
noticed and observed, where mostly Indian, Bangladeshi, and Afghani people, Pakistani people, subcontinent people, they are using this app. So therefore, maybe my accent is that not much good, but however, I can understand what other are saying, So I can get things, I can get things easily. But
Hmm.
however, when it comes to American, accent,
Hmm.
it's quite difficult. It's quite difficult, but I'm working right now.
You're absolutely right, but I can suggest you one thing. You don't need to work on the accent part. Even I tried a lot. Then I understood that no, it's not our thing, right? We have to be good at pronunciation. Go
Right.
with the neutral pronunciation where everybody can
Right.
understand you. So that's the best thing that you can do. If you
Right.
try
Right.
to master any accent, there are a lot of accents. I think in the entire our life or career, we don't. I mean, we can't achieve that, but you can have a good pronunciation. So that's the best thing you can do.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So
Yeah, I will work on it.
let's talk about your region, like where you stay. What is that famous for? And yeah, how do you spend your day over there? Something like that. I'm curious to know about that place.
Okay, okay. So basically, I am living in Islamabad, the second most beautiful
Hmm.
uh, capital across the world. And
Yeah.
to be honest, Islamabad is very famous for
Hmm. Hmm.
beauty, and the weather is very, fantastic. It's totally something different, which
Hmm.
I have observed in Islamabad. Though I have been many other cities of Pakistan, but I
Hmm.
never ever feel or observe such type of environment here in Islamabad.
Hmm.
So it's quite, I'm feeling fortunate to
Hmm.
be living here as a Pakistani,
Yeah.
So that's that's about Islamabad. So
All this. Uh, in the later time, you will get accustomed. I mean, you will be
right,
habituated, and then your body itself, it says, okay, it's chalta. It's I'm get used to it, so I don't have any problem. That's how your body
uh,
gives you the signs. Yeah, it's obviously when you serve to people who have from who are from different countries like US, Canada, and other countries. If you work day, for them it's night. If you work night, for them
right.
it's day. Obviously we have to work during the night, to serve them during the day. So that's how
Then
we have
yeah, right.
to
Exactly.
sacrifice our
Ex-
things and all. Yeah,
exactly,
that's how
exactly. Yeah.
we are
That's
managing.
that's right. That's right, bro.
Hmm.
Hmm.